This week on Tales from a Passport, I'm introducing you to one of my new best friends, Steve the Turtle. The boys trade one sailboat in for another as they spend their time today learning to sail Hobbie Cats. And finally, we're spending a Trashy Tuesday cleaning up the beautiful Maho Bay. One of the things I enjoy most about traveling are those rare moments when once-in-a-lifetime experiences present themselves. Being able to capture moments like these are the reason I got into film to begin with. This is my boy Steve, and as you can see, Steve, well, he's a turtle, whose home, for the time being, happens to be Maho Bay here in St. John. Maho is known for its turtles, and at any given time you can dive off the back of your boat and within minutes find yourself face to face with a sea turtle. I've seen many sea turtles throughout our travels, and I'll be honest, it just never gets old. Most of the time, they will hang around eating seagrass until you get close enough to spook them. Then, with a stroke of their flippers, they disappear into the blue of the ocean. However, Steve and I got to spend quite a bit of time together on this warm afternoon. I would watch him as he ate a seagrass, and he would allow me to dive down and film him without being scared away. I tell you, there's something special about being able to watch an animal in its natural environment. I mean, you're visiting their world, and most of the time, they're just as curious about us as we are about them. After an hour of watching Steve be Steve in his natural environment, I said goodbye and let Steve get back to his daily turtle activities. You're my boy, Steve. Thanks for an amazing day, and be sure to tell that family of yours I said hi. Hopefully, I'll be seeing you again real soon.
When I first heard we were going to do Hobbie Cats, I was not excited, and I honestly just wanted to stay home and do nothing. When the day came, we went out early in the morning, we got instructions on how to do it, and the whole time while we were getting instructions, I was not paying attention. So when we finally got out, I had no clue what we were doing. I let Tice do the first part until I figured it out. When my turn came, I ended up capsizing. After that, it didn't take long before I was able to pick it up and get the hang of it. We would fly through the water, waves would come up and soak us. I would definitely be doing Hobbie Cats again.
We have spent the last 6 months living on the ocean, and our love for the ocean and the conservation of it has grown every day. We have seen its beauty and know we want to do what we can to preserve it. We heard about a group of sailors in the Panama area that started a beach cleanup day called Trashy Tuesday. Every Tuesday, they would encourage boaters to hop off their boats, head out onto the local beaches, and clean up the trash.
Well, we're doing Trashy Tuesday. We're going to go to the side of the road and pick up a bunch of trash. It's going to be really nice.
We decided to get our own boat buddies together and do a little Trashy Tuesday in the USVI. The kids went around to all the boats in the mooring field recruiting helpers, and we decided to clean up one of our favorite beaches at Maho. Only this group could make cleaning up trash so much fun.